Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Usha Mandal and you are going to see more of dentistry, lifestyle vlogs. I don't make cooking videos right now, but I also have made many cooking videos, gardening videos on my channel. So please subscribe and also hit a like button to this video. So today I am going to tell you about or review scent sack. I am sure many of you do not know the concept of a scent sack. So today I am going to tell you all about a scent sack. What is a scent sack? What do you do with a scent sack? And where do you place it? How do you use it? And also I will review the Rosemoor scent sack, which is in the fragrance crystal rose. Now scent sack, typically I will show you the scent sack I have with me. Scent sack typically looks like this. This is from the brand Rosemoor and this was actually placed in a plastic like this, and just now I have unwrapped the plastic because to show you, you have to keep it in the plastic because the scent sack actually has the fragrance beads. The scent sack is filled with fragrant beads and that is to be used in your home. So just to show you, I have taken this out. This is a beautiful looking sack. You can see a pretty small sack. This is of 42 gram and this is priced at 390 rupees. So this is from the brand Rosemoor. You can see this is the brand Rosemoor and this is in the fragrance crystal rose. So actually, what is a scent sack and how do you use it? Typically, how I use a scent sack is that I place it inside my wardrobe. I really like fragrant wardrobe. So when I open the wardrobe, I need to have a very good smell inside it and my clothes also need to smell good. So I use a scent sack inside my wardrobe. I just tie it up inside my wardrobe and this has beads in this and these beads are fragrant. These beads actually just release their fragrance inside my wardrobe like that. But yes, you can use a scent sack anywhere you want to use. Like if you want your washroom to be fragrant, your bathroom to be fragrant, or your bedroom to be fragrant, you can just hang it around in your room or your bathroom or anywhere you want it to be placed and you want a good fragrance, you can just place it. And this, I would say, for me, a scent sack from Rosemoor lasts for about 4 to 5 months at least. Yes, I have used Rosemoor scent sack before in other fragrances. That is, I have used it in white tea, but this is crystal rose and it's written here that this is a full rosy and dewy fragrance with warm geranium rose petals and floral musks balanced with fresh green leaves. So yes, this is actually a very rosy and this smells very floral and rosy, has a very strong rose smell. But yes, the scent sack smell is not very overpowering. When you place it in your wardrobe will be slightly fragrant. Your clothes will have a slight fragrance in them and that makes it perfect. In rainy season or in summer season, our wardrobe mostly smells bad or it does not smell so good. So if you place a scent sack in your wardrobe, you can definitely get rid of that smell. And yes, you can obviously use it in your bathroom, in your bedroom or in your living room. I am not endorsing any product. This video is not at all sponsored. This is what I have used and that is the reason I am giving you the first-hand account of how this is to be used, and I am also giving a review on this Rosemoor scent sack. So yes, you might have a question in your mind that you are spending 390 rupees on such a small product. Then if this finishes off, if the fragrance is washed off, then what will you do? Do you have to buy another 390 rupees scent sack? To this I would say no. I also had a similar question in my mind when I first started using scent sacks. So no, you do not have to buy a new scent sack every time. What you can do is you can buy the refill. So by luck, I have a refill with me again from Rosemoor. So as I told you that I have been using other variants from this brand, other variants of scent sack from this brand. So the other variant which I really loved other than this crystal rose is the white tea. So this is the white tea refill of a scent sack. I will tell you about the price. This is 15 ml of product. Yes, this is priced at 290. So as you can see, this is a scent sack of 390 rupees and this refill is of 290 rupees. So you buy this 290 rupees refill, this is going to last you many days. You just need to add few drops as in 3 to 4 drops of this oil into the scent sack. You just open up the sack from this ribbon and you open it up like that and just place the drops of oil inside this. Only 3 to 4 drops is very good to go for at least 4 months, 3 months to 4 months. I have used it and I can tell you that yes, the fragrance stays for that much, but yes, it fades out. Obviously in the first month you're going to get a very good smell, a very strong smell, and eventually the fragrance fades out, but yes, it will stay fragrant. It will not just lose its fragrance very easily. So yes, you can invest in this Rosemore scent sack and also this Rosemore scent sack oil. So this is the white tea and I will tell you, I absolutely love this. Yes, I like this better than the crystal rose. This, I don't know, I think it is again floral, but this has a very sweet smell of sandalwood also, and this is somewhat better than the crystal rose. I was just trying out new fragrances, so I had bought the crystal rose one, but I will tell you that the white tea is better than the crystal rose. At least I like the white tea better. You can try it out. You can get these scent sacks or the oil and these everything on Rosemore's official site, or you can get it on Amazon also, or on Flipkart. I don't think they provide it, but yes, in Amazon you're going to get it. But I have purchased these from Starmark stores. I stay in Kolkata, so I have purchased this from Starmark South City Mall. So you can get it from stores like that where you have home fragrance stores or home fragrance sections. You're going to get it in those places. The Rosemore brand is quite famous, and I think wherever you get home fragrance sections, you're going to get the Rosemore, all the product ranges, not just scent sack or the scent sack oil. They have a range of candles, they also have diffusers, they have everything, and even mothballs for wardrobes, so you can use them also. So I will show you how I place it in my wardrobe. So this is my wardrobe, and so I do not have any hooks in my wardrobe, so you can see this is a hanger. Just put the scent sack inside the hanger. Sorry, I'm doing it with one hand, so it's a bit difficult. So yes, I put it like this and just place it inside. So that is going to keep my wardrobe fragrant for a long time. That was my review and a very short kind of tutorial to show you what is a scent sack and what is a scent sack oil, and also review on the scent sack from Rosemore and the oil from Rosemore. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment below and hit the like button. Thank you.